Hello, my dearest friends. Welcome and thank you for coming back to my channel. This is Ambiciosa Josa, your host. And once again, I want to share to you how wonderful the aloe vera plant is. The aloe vera plant is an easy, attractive succulent that makes for a great indoor companion. It is an herb with succulent leaves that are arranged in a rosette. The plant is stemless or very short-stemmed with thick greenish fleshy leaves that fan out from the plant's central stem. The leaves are gray to green and sometimes have white spots on their surfaces. They have sharp pinkish spines along their edges and are the source of the colorless gel found in many commercial and medicinal products. Aloe vera has been widely grown as an ornamental plant. It became popular with modern gardeners as a topical medicinal plant and for its interesting flowers, form, and succulents. When potted, aloes can become crowded with bulbs growing from the sides of the mother plant. Plants that have become crowded can be divided and repotted to allow room for wider growth. If you want your aloe vera to grow in bigger size, always make sure to take out the bulbs and plant it separately, and it will also grow fast. And the most amazing fact about aloe vera is that it has a natural rooting hormone. Yes, guys, you heard it right. Rooting hormone from aloe vera can be made naturally and at home with simple ingredients that you may have on hand. And that's what I'm going to show you on this video. Aloe vera is not only for beauty, but it's also for your garden. So, on this video, I'm going to show you how I make my own aloe vera rooting hormone. So, I have these leaves. I cut it from my plant. And to prepare it, you just need to simply wash it, clean it, because of course we're going to use the food processor, so we really need to clean it thoroughly. I'm going to be talking to you about my experience on using aloe vera while we are processing this. So, aloe vera was been a very huge help to me because my face was severely sun-stained because of my overexposure under the sun at the beach. If you saw me on my other videos, I was always at the beach, and that was summertime, and so you can imagine how hot it was, and it burned my face, and I had a brown stained face. So while we are doing this, we're cleaning the aloe vera, I'm gonna tell you more about aloe vera, that it is used on facial tissues. It was promoted as a moisturizer and anti-irritant, and I myself is using it as it helped my skin recover from being sun damaged, really damaged, due to my overly exposure at the beach. So aloe vera became my savior from laser treatment. Thank God, I thought I needed a laser treatment to get rid of that severe brown stained on my face. And I tried to use aloe vera as a facial cleanser, and in no time, the sun stain gradually went off. It became lighter and lighter, and as of this moment, I still have a little bit of it. Okay, so as you see, I'm just cleaning the leaves. And then you chop it in small pieces. And, just to cut them in small sizes. Cosmetic companies commonly add sap or other derivatives from aloe vera to products such as makeup, tissues, moisturizers, soap, sunscreens, license, shaving cream, or shampoos. So you just cut those, edge that are dried and like brown, and cut them in smaller pieces. So we have the food processor, or you can use the blender, whatever you have, and put the aloe vera inside. You know that a review of academic literature notes that its inclusion in many hygiene products is due to its moisturizing emollient effect. Very useful succulent, right? I love to rub aloe vera on my skin because it leaves me a very moisturized sensation. Actually, the same aloe vera gel that we're gonna produce now, we can use it in many ways. We can use it as facial cleanser or skin moisturizer, or we can apply it to our hair to boost and strengthen the growth of our hair. And also, we can use it as the natural rooting hormone, which we are producing now. And by the way, guys, for me, it's not only a natural rooting hormone, but for me, I think because I put it on my roses, and you will see at the end of this video the result. When I put it on my roses, we are in autumn, and I don't know why my roses are blooming. It never bloomed before like it is now, because I put lots of aloe vera on it. So that's how powerful this plant is. Aloe vera leaf extract as a potential growth enhancer. So there was a study about aloe vera leaf extract as a potential growth enhancer. Natural plant extracts are a cost-effective and environmental-friendly alternative to synthetic plant growth regulators and phytohormones. The present in vitro study investigated the promotory activity of various concentrations of aloe vera leaf extract on the growth of hybrid aspen. So there was this tree or plant that is called hybrid aspen, or the Populus tremula L. And the extract isolated from aloe vera leaves increase the plant height and weight, number of shoots, leaves and roots, and the root length, as well as mineral concentrations of both Populus clones. The rooted plants were acclimatized in the greenhouse with 90% survival. So the results showed that aloe vera extract is an efficient alternative source to improve the growth of both Populus clones under study. And friends, ladies and gentlemen, I have proven it myself because I have my plants, the roses and the bougainvillea. I put some of my aloe vera extract on it, and I saw the miraculous result of it. I couldn't believe that at this point of season weather, We are almost on winter and my roses were blooming. So that's why I made this video to share to you how amazing aloe vera is. It's such a versatile plant. You can use it for your skin, you can use it for your hair. And now I found out that it's a very, very good remedy and help for my plants to grow more fast and strong, to give more flowers. And I think I would use it to my vegetables because soon I'm gonna be working in the garden again, and I'm so excited to try this growth enhancer. It's free because I have lots of aloe vera plants and I'm going to plant more, and it's free, and also it's safe, not a chemical, but it's a homemade. You know what your materials is, you know what are your growth booster made of. And I really, really love the fact that it's coming from the plant itself. So yeah, I would like to challenge you, if you have aloe vera, to use as growth enhancer in your garden, and then tell me your great experience. I'm very excited to hear from you. And if you already tried it before, please tell me also what's the result. Was it good? Did it work? Please comment at the box below. And friends, ladies and gentlemen, if you are new to my channel, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, please leave me thumbs up. Leave me your love and thumbs up. And please hit the bell so you would always be notified for my next live stream or next premiere or next video. And once again, guys, I cannot stop saying thank you so much for coming and watching my video. Thank you for your support, and thank you always for also encouraging me, for the sweet words, for the good comments. But also I am very open for suggestions, corrections, and it would be my pleasure to have your thoughts in my comment box. So don't forget to strain it. Oh, by the way, those residues, the pulp, I mix it with my soil. Yeah, nothing was wasted. Just in case you have missed the formula, so we just add a little bit of water on it, so it's not that thick. It will be fluid, and you can add more water. Actually, when you put it in your plant, you have to add water. And I have this small applicator, a bottle applicator. I recycled this. This was with my hair color. It's the bottle applicator of the hair color. I kept it, and I filled it because I love to use that for my little ones. So all the gel water now is being set aside, and now I'm using my applicator to put root booster and growth enhancer to the plants that I planted in the candle plastic holder. And I noticed that the plants are happy. And I think that this is such a very brilliant. So, yeah, how cool it is that we can just make our own root booster and growth enhancer, and even I would say like it's my new flowering, blooming hormone enhancer. So these roses are the proof that made me believe that aloe vera is a very good growth booster hormone, and it also helps my roses gives more flowers. Look at these new buds, and it's happening right at this, almost winter season here. The weather is really cold, but I couldn't believe that my roses are blooming like this. And that's because I think of the aloe vera growth booster. Once again, thank you so much, my dearest friend, for coming and watching my video. I hope that I inspired you, and I want to say God bless, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy.